Ala, ang worm. Natagak. Yeah. The wormies. Gummy worms. Oh, I'm a gummy worm.
Oh, it's a gummy bear.
As a gummy worm. Yeah, I'm a gummy worm. I smell like fish na. Okay. Langaw is hovering around me. Wala siguro na yung worm, kuya? A little bit.
What's a big one? What's a thick one? What's a thick one? Like, what's a thick one?
Sort of. Thick is na. Yung only skin ko na rin favor itaas from someone. Forget to say please. And thank you. You're welcome. Oh, thank you. Boom. Ay, ayaw lagi diri.
I think that's Blackie. What are you doing?
Ay, naku, tiruan ka. Ah! My phone! Almost. Say! I think he wants to be starring sa video. He wants to be part sa kuansin. Sa vlog.
I saw a big fish.
I think naadila sila, no? Nagha nag-water, oy. Notice niya mo, Chim?
That's small fish. Why the small fish she can?
Ay, sige, move mo kaya. Okay, tabi.
How are you?
Okay. Maganda pa to sa itong things. This is our last day here. Do you enjoy?
Yeah.
Kuwang pa? You want more?
Yeah.
You want to stay here?
No.
Longer? No. Ano ba? I thought you like it here.
You almost need.
Ato ka nito nga side. Dihay, marag na idaghan diha. Oh my gulay. The small ones are just eating it.
I saw a big one over here. This is a big one. No, it's just exploding fishes.
Saan na oras pa?
But you know why I call it exploding fishes?
Why?
Because
Ha?
Magprepara na siya mo sa inyo na doon.
Nakaandam naman kong gabi eh. Ang kanan na lang mga basa, may wala na sod.
I call it the exploding fishes.
Dito, Chimoy. Daghan dito.
I call it exploding.
Maigo, si Papalo. Maigo, si Papalo.
I call it exploding fishes because there's only one fish and then it explodes too many.
Wala, Chim. Chim, tuwa na. Pikit up. Go, go. Ah. Papalo, si Papalo lang.
Did you see that?
Pa. Makaya pa if mo ato tag-ubay. Kaman, diretso na dito sa Talibon. At doon dito sa Kuan, di ay ba? Oh! Dili ba kanang kung waagi tag-ubay ba diretso na dito tuyok ba?
Talaga lagi ako to. Hindi pulong ay hindi.
Ay ka.
Unsa may mga to pamagubay?
Palit ko atong additional gatas. Ali ko. Dili naman si ate kakuan. Unless makapit si ate dito pero murago na may oras si ate po.
Gapon na to. Oh, di na dong.
Jim,
Big.
Bebe.
kani pa okay na ni pa?
Wala git na.
Ibalik ni? Ay!
Let it slap me.
It did not slap me but gitusok ko. Ouch. Agay, asa naman ni tita? Fishy, fishy. Down, okay. Pa, di isang patuno pa. Tita, oy. Ano na ka to?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm getting too many small.
I think it's about time to cook na aya.
Wow.
Gimme. These are too small. This is too small. Ah! Ah! Last. And then mag-cook na ko. Si ate, ako dagang pagkagad unon. Kay nakasimsim po. Magkuan pa ko. Nagdungag naman ko. Ay, too small. Nagdungag na ko pa. Ako pang gipahumok ang karne. Ah! Mga small naman among kubit.
One, two, three, four, five.
Nag-enjoy ka, Chim? Of fishing? Ha? You want to be a fisherman when you grow up? Yeah. Fisherman or seaman? Ay lang seaman, Chim. Ay? You'll always stay in the sea. Nara ka sa barko pero may like papalo.
Nope, I didn't cut out.
Malingaw dito si Noah diri. Malik ta diri pon Chim. Dito na to si Noah at si Papa. Yeah. Te? Okay. I will cook na. Ay.
I'm gonna get fish for the...
Pa, tawag kang ate pa.
Nagaday?
I-open.
Ha?
Yeah! Got a big one!
See the two kitties.
No! This is ours.
Small ones are for the...
We bring this to Cebu.
Small ones are for the cats.
Got a lot of big ones today. Agay, kasakit. Pa, aray. Jim, can you open this, anak? Dali, oy. Ouch. dili di yung side ang nailan ko kuya. This side ay. This side.
Yako.
Ha? It's a prank. Ah. Balik po yung side. I think dito nga side sa libid ko. Let's try there.
Where?
Wala agihan yan.
Yeah.
Ay ka mag-cook na ko.
Washway ka.
You is scared of. Ay. Maka-attitude ko talaga. Just one more. Just one more. Just one more. Just once. Can it be? Nako ay. Nagluto na ko.